Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to fill application, that is e-visa application for Bali. There are two types of visa, that is e-visa and visa on arrival. If you take e-visa, you will save a lot of time. If you can take visa on arrival, that is when you land in the airport, there you have to fill the form and pay the whatever amount is there and get the visa. They'll For that you have to waste a lot of time and stand in long queues. Instead of that, if you take e-visa well in advance, just you can show in the immigration and you can check out of the airport very fast. So I'm going to tell you how to fill the e-visa application for Bali. First, you have to go to the correct website. That is, there are different websites for getting visa, but you have to go to the official website, because otherwise, other websites charge a hefty amount. So, go to the official website. Type here e-visa for Bali. So on the screen, you will get different websites here. See, online visa, official Indonesia, EVO site, those things. So you go to this site, the official e-visa website for Indonesia. So official e-visa website for Indonesia. So you click this. So when you click that, you will get Ministry of Immigration and Corrections, Directorate General of Immigration. Here you have evisa.immigracy.go.id. The ID is the website name is evisa.immigracy.go.id. So here it comes, Ministry of Immigration and Corrections, Directorate General of Immigration, the official e-visa website for Indonesia. Here you start applying for the e-visa. So you click apply. So first it asks the nationality, whichever country you belong, you write that. So I belong to India, so I'll write India here. It comes here, you click that one. Next, the choose the purpose of your visit. There are different purposes showing you, that is general, family, or social, investment, business, or government, golden visa, diaspora. So if you're going for a tour or a trip, you can click this one, general, family, or social. Next comes the sub purpose of it. For what purpose are you visiting? For any surgery or medical treatment, or just for tour purpose? So it is parent of Indonesian citizen, tourism, family visit, transit, medical treatment, social. So when you're going for tourism or tour, you click this one, tourism, family visit, and transit. Then it asks what type of visa. There is there are different types of visa, that is depending on the length of the stay. When you are going for a tour, you choose the shortest duration visa, that is B1 visa it's called. So visa on arrival, C1, tourist single entry visa for 60 days. There is multiple entry visa, you no need this one. You click this one, tourist visa on arrival. So I'm planning for stay 30 days. So if you have this visa, you can stay up to 30 days. If you want to stay for more days, you have to apply through a different method. You can extend the visa by applying in Bali itself. Then after filling all this, you click detail and apply. Type of visa 30 days, so all the particulars come. This cost is 500k Indonesian rupiah. That is, it comes around 2,700 to 2,800. Uh, so you've click apply. So next, from here onwards, you have to fill your particulars. First is travel document, that is passport photo and your passport photo and your passport size photo. So here are the particulars, it should be very clear, and there should be there no obstructing things like your finger or anything on the any object. It should be landscape, not like this. Then for the photo, passport size photo, you have the criteria like should be in JPG or PNG, a minimum 400 to 600 pixels, maximum size 2 MB. If your photo is more than 2 MB, you convert and make it less than 2 MB. So next is upload. Upload your passport. For example, I have a sample passport here. I'll click, so this passport appears here. After that, you upload a photo, passport size photo. I have Ritik Roshan photo here. I'll put up here. So after uploading your passport, uploading your photo, then go next. Next page appears. Whatever field you can see here. Activity tourism, visa type B1 type, length of stay 30 days. You can do the payment through credit card or debit card. Then fill your name, whatever name is. Suppose I'll fill Ramakrishna. So this is Ramakrishna. Then male. Then place of birth. You fill your place of birth. Example Delhi. Then date of birth. You put your date of birth. Then your phone number. You can fill it. Then anyway, document type is passport. You need not change this. You can't change this also. Then document number. You fill your document number, the passport number. Nationality, anyway, whichever country you belong, whichever you filled, it appears here. Then date of expiry of the passport. Issuing place, you have to write in the passport, will be there. Then address in Indonesia, you should mention. So before applying this one, you should have booked the hotel or stay in Indonesia. So it asks residents how you're going to stay there, like in hotel or villa, whichever place it is. So I will choose hotel here, and the address I've chosen Grand Barong Resort, that is in Kota, Bali. Then postal code, you should have the address of the hotel. So if I put the postal code, remaining things appear. The address, total address appears. It is province Bali, city Barong, district Kota, village, and immigration office. Next comes the main thing, that is main document. That is two documents you have to upload. That is, one is passport and a return ticket. But here the catch is you have to uh, upload these documents in only PDF format, not in other format, not JPG or JPEG, in PDF file. So before applying, you have to convert it into PDF files. So passport valid for at least 6 months. Upload your passport. Uh, then return ticket you have to upload. So before applying for e-visa, you should have all these things, uh, return ticket as well as the hotel you should have booked. Next you fill your email. Next reconfirm, confirmation email, same thing you write again. After filling all this, you go to the next page, that is click next. It asks, are you sure you want to continue the application? Click yes. Then whatever you filled, it appears here. It's like type of visa, you filled the you uploaded the documents, that is passport size photo, passport, passport in PDF format, passport in return ticket, everything it appears here. So it asks you to cross check or double check whatever you have uploaded. Suppose any mistake is there, your visa may be rejected. So cross check everything. So if it is check once, if it is okay, you click check. Photo okay, check. Next email, check. Full name, check. Sex, male female, check. Date of birth, check. Then your document number, passport size number, again re-verify. Then date of issue, check. Nationality, check. Date of expiry, check again. See the date properly, the month, year, and the date. Then issuing place. Then after everything, you see you have uploaded the proper document. You can download your whichever uh, document you have uploaded. You can download and see whether it's the proper one. Then if it is okay, then you click check here. Then after filling all this, after cross checking everything, you click the applicant hereby certify that I understood and agree all the information declaration in this application is true. Then click save here. Again it asks you, are you sure you want to continue the application? Click yes. Next, the almost you have filled the application. You're near to the payment now. So transaction number, name, passport number, type of visa B1, draft is there. Next, you click submit. It asks you want to save this as a guest or save this data with the register. You can register the website and um, do the procedure, because I had registered with the this website, but I didn't get any email, or when I tried to fill in the password, everything, it uh, I couldn't go open the website. So I've done as a guest. I've done this applied the visa application as a guest. So you click as guest. When you have filled the email, you'll the pass e-visa will be sent to your email. So in last page, warning: be careful of the immigration services fraud. So we should go to the proper website. This is the proper website. Don't go to other website. It may be a fraud, or they may charge heftily. Then click OK. Then so it is appears waiting for payment. So all the names, passport, type of visa, waiting for payment. Click payment. So again you cross check. Again you have the chance to go back. So check everything, all your name, passport number, validity, then place of issue, everything. After everything is okay, you have 3.5 hours to fill this to complete the procedure. Click payment. The payment here, it shows IDR, that is Indonesian currency, Indonesian rupiah payment. Now it appears as Indonesian rupees, that is 519 500, that is Indonesian rupees. So now this is in the name on card, the card type, expiry date, everything is in Indonesian language. So you have to change it to English. So here click English. So the everything changes here. Card number, you fill your card number, name on card, expiry date, CVV. So you fill everything. Then you click the payment. You can pay in Indian currency, whatever conversion charge, about nearly transaction charge nearly 100 rupees will be applied. So mine it came to 2697. So that is 6700 plus 100 rupees. It comes to 2800 approximately. So we'll get after you click everything, after do the payment, you can pay in Mastercard or Visa card. After you pay, the procedure is over, you get a confirmation. Please make sure that you take a screenshot or photograph of the transaction for any, if any problem occurs. And you check in your mail whether you got the e-visa. You print this e-visa and show when you land in Bali, you show at the immigration, and your job is done with no minutes, within short time. So good luck for your visit to Bali. Thank you.